Speed and velocity, numericals on speed and this topic we have to concentrate some points. That is, there is an equation for finding speed and velocity. Same equation. What is that? V is equal to S by T. Okay. And also the SI unit of speed and velocity also same. What is that? Meter per second. Okay. And there are some more equations, that is average speed is equal to what? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. And also what is an average velocity? Average velocity is, there are two equations, net displacement by total time and also u plus v divided by 2. Average velocity is equal to u plus v divided by 2. Okay, these are the equations you have to concentrate while doing the problems on speed and velocity. Then let us go and solve some problems regarding speed and velocity. When you are doing problem, make sure the whole data in the problem in same system of unit. Then only we can do the problem easily. Here are some conversions. First one, kilometer to meter. Number into 1000. Given number in kilometer, that into 1000 we will get meter. Meter into kilometer, number divided by 1000. Second into hour, number divided by 3600. Hour into second, number into 3600. Minute into second, number into 60. Then next is meter per second into kilometer per hour. It's very important. It's very helpful to us. That is number, meter per second into kilometer per hour, number into 18 by 5. Kilometer per hour into meter per second, number into 5 by 18. Okay, you just concentrate and also just write all conversions in your note also. So, what is that? Meter per second into kilometer per hour, number into 18 by 5. Kilometer per hour into meter per second, number into 5 by 18. It's very, very important. Okay. Here, one conversion, that is the velocity of a bus is 18 meter per second. Express this in kilometer per hour. Then we already discussed how can you convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. How can you convert? Then 18 meter per second is equal to how many kilometer per hour? That is our question. So 18 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So what will get? 64.8 kilometer per hour. Have to find out. Okay. Then we will get 64.8 kilometer per hour. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? We all know what is the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So, an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. So, first you have to write the total distance travelled by the object. Total distance travelled by the object. What is that? That is equal to, what is total distance? First it is travel 16 meter. This is as a unit of meter. Distance is meter now. Here also distance. Another 16 meter. So 16 meter plus 16 meter is equal to how many meter? Yes, 32 meter. That is the total distance. And total time? Total time. What is total time? Is equal to 4 seconds plus 2 seconds. Then what will get? 6 seconds is the total time. So, average speed is equal to what? Total distance total distance by total time. So what will get? 32 by 6 or 33 meter per second is the answer. What is the answer? This is 32, distance 32 meter and 6 second. So 32 by 6, 5.33 meter per second. This is the answer. Example 3. This is also from your textbook, page number 102, question number 5. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Then we already discussed, and when we are doing problem, we have to write the data first. So here, what are the data given? The 5 minutes time is given, and also meter per second. What is the SI unit of meter per second? Is the SI unit of speed or velocity, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see meter per second. So we can find, is it a speed or velocity? The signal travels at the speed of light. So speed is this, isn't it? So first of all, we have to write the speed of light. Speed of light can write V. Speed is denoted by letter V. V is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And after that, next time. What is here? Time T is equal to 5 minutes. What is that? 5 minutes. So we know we have to change it in a same system of unit. So here minute is the smaller unit. Have to convert into this is SI unit, SI system. How can you convert a 5 minute into second? 5 minute into second, 5 into 60, number into 60. So we will get time is equal to 5 into 60, that is 300 seconds. Then 5 minutes, how many seconds? 300 seconds. So what are the data we got? Velocity, speed there and also time there. Okay, what do you want to find out? What is the distance of the spaceship from ground station, from the ground station? We have to find out the distance. So yes, you have to find out the S. S is the distance now. We have the equation V is equal to distance by time. From this equation, how can you find out S? S is equal to V into T. Okay, S is equal to V into T. Then how can you then substitute the value to this equation? V is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second is equal into, what is the time? 300 second. Okay, second will be cancelled. So 3 into 10 to the power have to 3 into 300 into 10 raised to 8. So what will get? 900 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Okay, SS will be cancelled, no? SS will be SS cancelled, no? So S is equal to 900 or 9 into 10 raised to 10 meter. 9 into 10 raised to 10 meter. Example 4. A car travels at a speed of 20 km for 2 hours and 60 km per hour for the next 2 hours. What is the average speed of the car? Okay, average speed of the car. How can you find out average speed? Total distance by total time. Here distance is not given, only the speed is given. Okay, then from this the data is given, we know we can find out the distance and displacement separately. Okay, first case 1. In the first case, what is the speed? Speed is equal to what? 220 km per hour. What is the time? Is equal to 2 hours. Then distance. Want to find out what distance? S1. First case S1. So S is equal to V into T. This is V. This is T. Okay. Then S1 is equal to, what is V? 20 into 2 is equal to 40 meter. Next case 2. Speed is equal, V is equal to what? 60 kilometer per hour. So here kilometer. Then time, T is equal to 2 hours. Then what do you want to find out? Distance S2. Distance is equal to V into T. What will get? 60 into 2. What will get? 120 kilometer. How we get kilometer? Then here we can write here 60 kilometer into kilometer per hour into 2 hours. Then hour will be cancelled. Then what will get? 60 into 2, 120 kilometer. Okay. That is S1 and S2. Then we got the distance covered by the car. After that, total distance is equal to, what is that? 120 plus 40. Okay, 120 plus 40, that is what? 160 kilometer. 160 kilometer. Then total time is equal to, it is given separately. So total time 2 hours plus 2 hours. 2 hours plus 2 hours, that is 4 hours. Then average speed is equal to, V is equal to total distance by total time. So what will get? Total distance is 160 kilometer divided by total time 4 hours. So what will get? 40. Yes, 40 kilometer. 40 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay. 40 kilometer per hour is the answer.